Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IQ option script special for you. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next update. And if you not join best buying option broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading. I can use just IG option for indicator. Just I have used pocket option and Cotex platform. This is a very good platform and payment are very quickly. Okay, so and if you not join best if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel. Okay, so let's start trading with this script. And this is a script when market touched this zone, cross the zone and retest the zone, and you can trade on buy. And here is a retest zone and market going up, and here is a position, is a good position for buyers. Okay, and here is a down position for 1 minute, is a good position. Then okay, let's see the result. Okay, I have gone down when market down cross over the down and market retest this zone and market going down. Okay, this is a basically this indicator method. And when this market is down and zone this cross this zone and retest and market going up. Okay, and this is a area and you have go on buy on. Okay, sorry, I have 3-second candle. Okay, I am going on 1 minute. No problem is here. As you can see, you have a retest this zone and then going up. Okay, and here is a very good signal, but sometime has been rejection here, but no problem, I have won this trade. Okay, but okay, I have one loss and one profit, and this trade is 100% profit. Okay, very good trade. Then I have downs. Okay, I have next candle has been down 100%. As you can see, market this retest this zone and market going down is a retest and down. Okay, as you can see, if you some binary option and forex trading knowledge, you can trade. Okay, if you not have any knowledge, you can not trade this platform. Okay, this is a very risky platform. Okay, sometimes says your indicator, your script has not working. Okay, my indicator is 80% working. Okay, 20% you all time you save your money. And okay, I have lose this trade. Okay, market this. Okay, here is a good position, Marbuzu candle. Okay, no problem, I have choose another currency. Okay, here is the update I have placed. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, and here is a market this market cross this zone and retest this zone, market going up. Okay, my entry point is very late. Okay, let's see, no problem is here. I have, if I trade this loss, I have covered this loss. Okay, always you can trade on money management. Okay, I have already profit today. Okay, this is a not demo trading. Okay, and as you can see, there is a loss trade. Okay, no problem.